What's the difference between these two kettlebells?
Well, one is very tiny and the other one is big.
No, there's more to it. This is commonly referred to as standard kettlebell cast iron. It is small because it is a lightweight. If you go up in weight, then it starts to become bigger. The handle gets bigger. The window, this space here between the handle and the sphere, is also going to go larger or smaller depending on the weight. Over here, you've got competition kettlebell or a pro grade kettlebell. They are all the same size. All that differs is the weight. So this one, for example, it's made with a little bit more of a fancy process. It's got a hole here. Rather than putting the weight in and then welding it shut, sometimes you get a little rattle. What happens is they pour the load in. So they pour the weight in and everything settles like that. You get a more evenly distributed weight and you get a better kettlebell. So which one should you use? Look, you can get a sweaty, nice workout. You can be like, You can get a sweaty workout from that one. It's fine, but my preference is always to go for one of these. Why? Consistency, consistency, consistency. You are learning a new technique. It takes you so many reps to get good. You go to another kettlebell, you go to something heavier, all of a sudden it's bigger. The difference in size, the difference in handle size, everything is changing. No, you don't want that. You want consistency with your piece of equipment. The only thing changes when you change the weight with one of these is the weight. That's the only thing. You have consistency. Also, when you rack one of these kettlebells, look, a little bit on the pec, a little bit on the bicep, a little bit on the forearm. When you rack that tiny one, you know what happens? All the weight goes right to your wrists. So you can get a good workout with standard or pro grade kettlebells, but if I could choose, I'm choosing to go with a pro grade.